What do you have? Good job.
Hello everyone and welcome to Umusambi Trivia Competition. Today we're going to talk about something super important, water. Did you know that all living things need water to survive? Yes, plants, animals, and human beings rely on it for their survival. We're back. Let's see how our teams do in the trivia today. Today our teams are Acorns International School, Sparrow Parents School, and Royal Kids Academy. Let's begin. Let's dive into the rules of this exciting competition. We have 6 themes: biodiversity, ecosystems, water, endangered species, bats, and birds. Each theme offers questions worth 100, 200, or 300 points. Here's how it works. First, we shuffle cards with the themes on them. A player calls stop, and the theme is revealed. Then the player chooses the point value they'd like to play for. Each point value has a limited number of questions, so strategy matters. If the team answers the question correctly, they earn the points. If not, they don't earn anything for that round. We keep going until all the questions run out. Finally, we tally the scores, and the school with the highest point wins and earns a spot in the next round. What do you have?
Biodiversity.
How many points would you like?
200.
Let's have it. And the question is, which protected area is shared between Uganda and Rwanda? A. Lake Nakuru National Park, Volcanoes National Park, Mgahinga Gorilla National Park. The timer starts now.
Wait. Are you guys sure? Okay, we have the answer.
Let's have it.
B.
B. Let's have the answer.
He said you can swear on his life.
It's actually C. The Mgahinga Gorilla National Park sits at the foot of the Virunga Mountains between Rwanda and Uganda.
Stop.
What do you have?
Biodiversity.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on biodiversity. Let's have it. What is the term for the process by which plants make their own food? A. Symbiosis. B. Osmosis. C. Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Let's have the answer. That's correct. Here you go. All right.
Stop.
What do you have?
Water.
Water. How many points would you like?
300.
300 points for water. Let's have it. What is the name of the effect that causes the ocean surface to be warmer than the deep ocean layers? A. Thermostratification. B. Tides. C. Currents. Timer starts now.
We got the answer.
Let's have it.
A.
Have the answer? That's correct. Here you go.
Stop. Take it.
What do you have?
Endangered species.
Endangered species. How many points?
300.
300 points. Let's have it.
Endangered species.
300 points for endangered species. And the question is, which of the following is an effect of climate change on endangered species? A. Altering habitats and food availability. B. Increasing freshwater resources. C. Encouraging grasslands to spread. Your timer starts now.
So which one is it? I think it's A. I think it's A. Maya, what is it? Yeah, you can see it. See it. Okay. A.
A. Let's have it.
Sure. Yes.
That's correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Birds.
Birds. How many points would you like? 300 points on birds. Birds. What conservation plans are most effective for protecting endangered birds in Rwanda? A. Isolating bird populations. B. Planned bird hunting. C. Habitat protection. Your timer starts right now.
Habitat protection.
You have your answer? Do you have your answer? Okay, you can take your seconds.
Habitat protection.
All right, that's C. That is correct. Here you go.
Stop. biodiversity.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points. What are some of the reasons why people poach? A. Meat and species protection. B. Meat, ivory, and traditional medicine. C. Ivory and plastic production. The timer starts right now.
We have the answer.
All right, what's your answer?
B.
B, let's have it. That is correct. Here you go.
What's it? Biodiversity.
Ecosystems. How many points would you like?
300.
300 points. Let's have it. What do we call an area of land with thick, thorny shrubs? A. Rainforest. B. Chaparral. C. Oceans. Your timer starts now.
Okay, a rainforest is basically just a forest where there's a lot of rain. And an ocean is a large body of water. B.
B. Let's have the answer.
Is it B? Is it?
That is correct. Here you go.
You. 600. Yeah.
What do you have?
Bats.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on bats. Let's have it. How do bats help control the spread of diseases? A. By consuming insects that may carry diseases. B. By creating medicine for the diseases that insects carry. C. By controlling where insects move. Timer starts now.
We have our answer.
Let's have it.
A.
A. That is correct. Here we go.
Stop.
Oopsies. What do you have?
Biodiversity.
How many points would you like?
300.
There's only 200 and 100 left.
200.
200 points in biodiversity. Let's have it. What is the name of the small nocturnal primates which live between savanna trees? A. Bush babies. B. Cats. C. Vervet monkey. Timer starts now.
I have an answer.
What's your answer?
What's the answer? C.
Let's have it. It's actually A. So bush babies, also known as galagos, are small nocturnal primates native to Africa, known for their large eyes, powerful hind legs, and distinctive calls. First, let's understand how the water cycle works. It starts with the sun heating up rivers, lakes, and oceans. Then it turns it into vapor. This vapor cools and forms clouds, which eventually release rain back to the earth. Now that we know how water moves, let's talk about why conserving water is so important. The water that we use to drink and grow our food is finite. This means there isn't enough to go around. We can only recycle and treat the water that we already have. When the Earth's climate changes, it makes water even more scarce. This is why it's very important for us to use water wisely to ensure that future generations will have access to fresh water. Let me have that sample. Could you hold it, please? Let's see yours. Could you hold them up? What do you guys observe? Can someone tell me? Just raise your hand. Yes, please.
One is dirty and one is kind of clean.
Who else? Yes, please.
This is cleaner. This is more contaminated.
Right. So when the water, when it rains, right? And water flows from all these different directions and comes in here, it's dirty for obvious reasons, right? Yeah. It's been flowing off of hills. But when it gets here, the papyrus and the reeds, all these take out the dirt and the muck. And then it flows out for people to use cleaner, okay? The wetland just filters that water. And so people that side actually use it for agriculture. Some take it home to use it for different things in their house. Some boil it and drink it, okay? Yeah. So wetlands are important, got it? Yes. That's the end of our lesson. What do you have?
Birds.
Birds, how many points would you like?
300.
300 points, let's have it. How do birds camouflage themselves in their natural habitats? A. Nesting inside trees. B. Keeping silent. C. Coloration and pattern. Your timer starts now.
Some of them belong in the trees, some of them don't. But they sing when they're on the tree. They sing when they're in the tree, and when they nest, they don't keep silent. They sing. So it's C.
Is it C?
We got an answer.
What's your answer?
What do you think? What do you think it is?
C.
Okay.
C.
C. Let's have it.
Guys, I don't know.
That is correct. Here you go.
Thank you.
Stop.
What do you have?
Birds.
Birds, how many points would you like?
300.
300?
Yes.
200 points on birds. In birds, what is vocal mimicry? Imitating A. Other noises. B. Movements. C. Flight. Timer starts now.
I have the answer.
What's your answer?
A.
A. Let's have it. That is correct. There you go. All right.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems. How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on ecosystems. Let's have it. What type of ecosystem is often found in deserts and includes some trees and shrubs? A. Oasis. B. Grassland. C. Forest. Timer starts now.
We have an answer.
What's your answer?
A.
A. Let's have it. That is correct. Here we go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystem.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points. Let's have it. And the question is, what is the term for the gradual replacement of one type of vegetation by another over time? A. Ecosystem collapse. B. Ecological succession. C. Pollination. Timer starts now.
It's definitely not C.
I think it's B.
B. Is it B?
It can't be ecosystem.
It can't be ecosystem collapse.
So it's B.
It's B.
Let's have it.
Yeah, B.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That is correct. There you go.
1,200. Stop.
What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points. Let's have it. Which of the following animals assists with pollination? A. Insects. B. Fish. C. Otters. Timer starts now.
A.
A. Let's have it. That is correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Endangered species.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on endangered species. Let's have it. What is one reason why conservationists track animal populations? A. To see how they can be hunted. B. To assess health and survival chances. C. To sell them. Timer starts now.
What do you think? B. Okay, fine.
What's your answer?
B.
Let's have it. That is correct. Here you go.
Sorry.
It's okay. What do you have?
Birds.
Birds.
200.
200 points on birds. Which of the following factors would influence where a bird chooses to build its nest? A. The color of nesting materials. B. Safety from predators. C. The color of the tree. Timer starts now.
It's B.
Oopsies.
It's just.
Let's hold on.
It's,
I'll pick it up for you.
we have an answer.
What's your answer?
B.
B. Let's have the answer. And that is correct. Here we go. Did you know that the biggest living ecosystem is the barrier reef? Now you know. By using water carefully, we help these ecosystems to thrive. You can get involved too. You can start by using water in your house carefully. You can keep the taps closed when you're not using them. And make sure that no litter or chemicals ends up in the rainwater drains. Together, we can make a difference. What do you have?
Bats.
Bats. How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on bats. Bats have a high metabolic rate, a measure of how quickly your body uses energy. Why do you think a bat needs a high metabolic rate? A. To store energy for long periods. B. Because they're very active and need lots of energy to fly. C. To maintain a low body temperature. Timer starts now.
B.
Do you have your answer?
Yes.
B, let's have it. That is correct. There you go. All right. What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on biodiversity. Do primary consumers typically consume plants, meat, or both? A, it's meat. B, both. C, plants. Timer starts now.
We have our answer.
All right, what's your answer?
C.
C, let's have it. That is correct. Here you go. All right.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystems. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on ecosystems. Let's have it. What is the name of plant producers in most marine ecosystems? A. Phytoplankton. B. Seaweed. C. Eucalyptus. Timer starts now.
We have our answer.
And what's your answer?
B.
Let's have it. It's actually A. So, phytoplankton are microscopic plants that live in water ecosystems. Because they also trap carbon during photosynthesis, they play an important role in carbon cycling for the whole world.
Stop.
What do you have?
Water.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on water. What is the name of the place where water from rivers and streams meet and flow together? A. Delta. B. Source. C. Confluence. Timer starts now.
It's this one. What do you think? I think it's a C. What's a C? I think it's a B.
Oh, time is up.
I think the answer is B.
Let's have B. It is actually C. So, this meeting point can create a unique ecosystem which changes the surrounding of plants and animals. They're also important to keep nutrients moving. What do you have?
Endangered species.
Endangered species. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points. Name one purpose of anti-poaching patrols. A. To prevent illegal hunting. B. To count trees. C. To build fences. Time starts Now.
Wait, what? No man purpose of anti-poaching. What do you think? To prevent illegal.
Okay, yeah. Because poaching is illegal hunting.
Poaching is illegal hunting, so anti-poaching is to prevent. Anti is the purpose, so it's to prevent.
Okay, we got the answer.
What's your answer?
A.
Let's have it. That is correct. There you go.
Imagine it was counting trees.
Because water is recycled to be used again, water pollution is such a big threat. And we must remember, land pollution affects water pollution. When we throw away the plastic, the chemicals, and different waste, they may end up in our rivers, our lakes, and our oceans. This does not just affect the water, but also the plants and animals that live in those ecosystems, and it makes it even harder to treat it to be used again.
If I see a turtle, where is it?
Oh, I can't catch it.
If I
A turtle swimming.
then catch it.
It's an underworld life.
Yo! No!
Stop.
What do you have?
Birds.
Birds, how many points would you like?
200.
200, you said?
Yes.
200 points on birds. Which of the following is an adaptation birds have which allow them to fly? A. Strong chest muscles. B. Slow digestion. C. Big shape and size. The timer starts now.
You have the answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
C.
C, let's have it. It's actually A.
Stop.
What do you have?
Bats.
Bats, how many points would you like? 200 points on bats. Which of these features helps bats to fly silently? Their wing structure and claws, their wing structure and soft wing membranes. C, their wing structure and long legs. Timer starts now.
What answer?
What's your answer?
B.
Let's have it. And that is correct.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on ecosystems. What ecosystem is found in the mountains and has little vegetation? A. Rainforests. B. Alpine tundra. C. Savanna. Timer starts now.
What is an alpine tundra?
If we're allowed to ask.
No, that would probably give it away.
Oh, okay. So it can be rainforest.
Because it has little vegetation. I think it's either savanna.
A savanna is
Dry and it has little
Is it in
vegetation.
the mountain?
There's mountains in the savannah.
So it's B. Are you spinning? Let's take it.
Time's up.
Time is up.
Okay.
Okay, B.
B, let's have it.
B.
Very correct. Here we go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystems. That's 100 points for you. The savanna ecosystems has a mix of trees and grasses and has a medium amount of rain. True or false? Timer starts now.
What's our answer?
What's your answer?
True.
True, let's have it. Correct. Here you go.
It's water.
All right, how many
200.
points would you like? 200 points for water. Which lake is known as the deepest lake in Africa? A. Lake Victoria. B. Lake Tanganyika. C. Lake Kivu. Timer starts.
Kivu is only Rwanda, right?
Deepest. Okay, B.
B, let's have it. Correct, here you go. What do you have?
Water.
300 points on water. And the question is, what is the name of the natural boundary or edge that separates different watersheds? A. Watershed divide. B. Floodplain. C. Estuary. And the definition for a watershed is a place where all water is funneled into a river or stream. Timer starts now.
We have
What do you have?
A.
A, let's have it. That is absolutely correct. There you go. You guys did amazing, okay? You should all be proud of yourselves. Clap for yourselves one more time. This is hard. This is hard to do.
Just say it. Just say it.
It's really hard for me, guys.
say
Put yourselves in my shoes. Okay.
My chest there.
Breathe in one more time. And out. And the team making it to the semifinals is Acorns International School. Good job. And the second runners up is Sparrow Parent School. Oh, that's the first runners up. And the second runners up is Warrior Kids Academy. So they got 3,200 points. Sparrow got 2,900 points. And Warrior Kids got 2,700 points. Good job, everyone. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Umusambi Trivia Competition. Let us continue to protect and preserve our water resources. Until next time, remember...